welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my makeup using only beauty blenders. I know that it's an insane concept, but I feel pretty good about this and I really want to do this. I'm sorry about the mess in the background. As you may have known from my previous video that I've been feeling like 100% like dog shit, so things are not super cleaned up and preppy and nice, but I still want to put out a video for all of you and have some fun with it. I got inspired by James Charles. He did a similar video using only one beauty blender, so I'm going to use several beauty blenders and hope that my makeup look goes as well as his did. So let's jump into this video and see what we get, shall we? I'm going to go in with the beauty blenders that I have on hand. I know some of them look dirty, but I did clean them, so yeah, they're just really stained, but they'll work. All these beauty blenders are from the Equate brand. This one is like pretty cool because it's kind of like a marble design and it's supposed to be charcoal infused, but I don't really think that it does too much. But I'm going to use all these beauty blenders, only these beauty blenders, for my makeup look today. I already primed my face off camera so that way life is like a lot easier. So I'm going to use my little tiny, super tiny detailing beauty blender, that's why I like to call it, and I'm going to start with the eye look. I'm going to start out first with the mini Jawbreaker palette from Jeffree Star. No, I wasn't able to get the cremated palette, but once I'm able to, I'm going to definitely try to get that one and do a future video. I know it's a very sensitive topic, but I really want to do it and see what different looks I can do along with the different eyeshadow palettes I have already. So I think it'd be super fun to do, and it'd probably be great for like Halloween looks as well. I'm going to start out with the Slice shade right here. It's a lovely golden shade and I really like it. It'll make a great highlighting shade and a base shade, so that's what I'm going to use for all over, like my lid and even to the brow bone. Dip into that a little bit. Look at that golden realness. We're going to attempt to do an eye look. So, oh my god, I've never done this. I'm just tapping it all over. Like, there's no real, like, technique right here. Pretty much, we're just going all over and making sure that it's all cohesive. You know, up to the brow bone right here. The best that we can on our eyes. I'm just trying to be like super, I don't know, resourceful. It's like hot as heck in here, I swear. But I'm going to do this look, even if it kills me. Tapping and blending is the trick. I like doing my eyes first because it's the hardest and you don't have to take off all of your makeup. It's just easier to do your eyes first. I don't feel like reapplying all my face makeup just because my eyeshadow wanted to fall out and have pigment everywhere. It's just not fun and pleasant for my life, so I want to make it simple and easy. This has turned out a little bit more golden than I wanted it to be, but it's okay. The next shade that I'm going to dive into is Orange Crush. It's a lovely bright pigmented orange glitter shimmer shade. I'm dipping into that a little bit. Not going too crazy, just making sure I have enough on my blender here. See, just enough and tap. Now I'm going to add that to my crease, hopefully, and my outer corner right here. Giving a little pop of orange realness. And that's a lot of orange realness right there. Add it under the eye as well. We can clean up after everything is done. Right now it kind of looks kind of crazy, but trust me, it will work out. Making sure we get that outer corner right here. Right there, kind of make like a wing with the eyeshadow. Then we're going to do the same for the other eye. Going into that crease. We might go into the brow bone, but it's okay. Going all the way down under the eye. Means we can't do really an eyeliner. We're using this shade as our eyeliner as well. I think it turned out pretty okay. For the inner corner, we might add a little bit more of the golden shade that we used previously in the inner corner. Dip it in again. I am really feeling that golden shade. Off camera, I cleaned up the lines and everything with a makeup wipe, and I also added a little bit of mascara because it was kind of looking a little bit dull and I wanted it to like stand out. So yeah, I think the eye look is complete because there's only so much you can do with one beauty blender and you can't really do eyeliner. So this is the eye look. So we're going to get into the full face. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Buff Blesque. I'm not sure how to say it, and I'm taking my handy dandy beauty blender again, and this is probably going to be the most simplest part because we already know what to do with our foundation and beauty blender. I'm going to pretty much just do what I normally do. Apply the foundation onto the beauty blender and then start working it from the neck to the face. That's what I like to do. Get started, tap that foundation all over the neck as much as we can. You can dive in if you need more product, obviously. So right now we're just doing the neck right here because I have a t-shirt on, so I don't want to get the t-shirt ruined. I'm going to go in with this powder contour. Well, it's technically a bronzer, but it's pretty good as a contour, so that's why I've been using it pretty much a lot. Like you can see right here, it's from Pacifica and it's in the shade Desert. I'm not sure if this is just an Ipsy exclusive or what. If you want to check it out, I highly recommend this as a contour. I'm going to use my angled beauty blender because it has like this rounding right here, and I think it'll be easy to like contour. I'm going to dip into the product. Make sure I have enough, but not too much. I'm going to probably start out with my cheeks. I'm going to apply it from the temple, fish face, making that contour line, and then down the side of the jaw and then to the bottom of the chin. And we're making our basic 3 shape that everyone likes and loves to do. We're going to do the nose. I'm going to use the tip part of the beauty blender. It might help with lining for our contour. From the eyebrow all the way down, making our line. There we go. Lightly tap it, don't press too hard. And down the side. And around the bottom of the nose. And then the same for the other side as well. To the brow. To the bottom. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, not the best line I've ever done in my life, but it will work. Blending it on the side as well. Getting as straight as possible so we don't look like we broke our nose or something. We don't want that. I think we're good here. I don't want to overdo it, but that's my simple contour for the look. I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Low highlighting powder. I'm not sure what the shade is, but it's a nice light golden shade. And then just apply it over the contour. And wow, that's a lot of highlight. You can see me from space. When I look in the mirror, like, oh my gosh, that's a lot. Do the same for the other side. See me from space, and then I'm gonna go down the nose, and then right here on the cupid's bow, right here, for my highlight. Into the same palette that I used for my contour, I'm going to use Wild Rose, the pink lovely shade. I'm going to take this one and work it on the side here. Do a smile, that's what I usually do, and just pat the color on ever so lightly. It's something. It's not working too well. We did our best. I'm going to go in now with my lipstick. I'm going to use the tip part of the smaller beauty blender and use the Tarte H2O gloss in the shade Hang 10. It's a nice, pretty, like a nude sort of pink gloss that I'm going to apply. Oh. Well, it did something, I guess. Not too much. The gloss is okay. I'm going to go in with the NYX HD Finishing Powder in Green Mint. I am obsessed with this one and I need to get more. We're going to pack that all on the best that we can. I'm probably not getting my whole face, but you can't expect too much from beauty blenders, I guess. I would not go out like this. I'm just like, there's no way. But I'm happy that I was able to do it for all of you. I hope that all of you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by leaving a huge thumbs up. By pressing that notification bell, you'll be notified when I post a new video, which is every Wednesday and Saturday. So please be on the lookout for those uploads. Follow me on all my social media so that way you know when the latest uploads are posted and with whatever I'm doing. So check me out over there. Everything is linked down below, as well as all my affiliate links and coupon codes. Some great steals and deals down there for your enjoyment. I have my Avon shop linked in the description down below as well. I'd be very appreciative and proud to be your representative today, so you can have quick, simple, easy, hassle-free shopping at the convenience of your own home, and you don't have to go anywhere. You can stay safe and get the products that you need. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, everyone.